Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Izleen from class A4CS11005C. Today, I would like to explain about updating stock inventory system for cake shop, which I create for my CSC 318 assignment. Firstly, I create a database called cake shop with table stock contain ID, name, type, quantity, price, and stock. And then for the coding, I create a DBCon so that my system can connect to my database created. And then I create a insert data.html so for user to insert data into the database, which is cake name, cake type, quantity, cake price, and date created, and button submit and reset. And then I create a stock at new so that the data inserted by this user can be connect to the data in the database, which I create a connection to the server name, username, password, and DB name, and check. And then this is the query to connect for both data from inserted and database. And once a user insert the record, it will show new record create successfully, and it will redirect to the location which is viewdata.php. Next is viewdata.php. I could create connection to the server name to the database and check the connection, create query, which is select ID, name, type, quantity, price, and stock from the table stock, and execute the query, which it will show the data inserted by the user. And then I will show you the update data.php coding. Firstly, I create a PHP and connect to my SQL database server, which is localhost root with non-password. And then I select the specified database, which is called cake shop. And then I create query, which is I choose ID as the primary from the start, and execute query. This is query for user can select data to update the data by just choosing the ID, and it will once user click proceed, it will show the data, which is key ID, name, type, quantity, price, and stock, and click button update. Once click update, the record will update it, and then we can view the data on the page. I will show you the system. And firstly, this is the home page I created for introduction of the shop, contain header and footer. And then insert cake, which is insert data. For example, I create a vanilla shortcakes. Cake type, which is vanilla. Quantity, for example, 10. And cake price is 55 ringgit. And then the date created for this stock is today, 15. And submit. It will show new record create successfully, and we'll check in view cakes, which is viewdata.php. And then the data will be inserted into the database. We can update the cake list by simply click this button, or we can just click on the navigation bar for update cakes. For example, I choose 11 ID, cake ID, and then proceed. And it will show the data, the information about the data that I have inserted. So I update the quantity, the price to 20, for example, and stock created on 25. Okay. And I click update. Record will be updated, and we can view the cake list. Yes, the vanilla shortcakes the information about vanilla shortcakes are updated successfully. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.